Welcome to the BSc third sem students. So in physics, the unit 4 it consists of waves and sound. So in waves and sound, I am going to teach the concept of two perpendicular oscillations having different frequencies. So in the last sessions, we have studied the two collinear oscillations having equal and unequal frequencies, and also we have studied the two perpendicular oscillations having equal frequencies. So today, so what happens the Lissajous figures with different frequencies. And Lissajous figures are the patterns of resultant motion of the particle when the particle is vibrating simultaneously under the simple harmonic at right angles to each other. So these are the Lissajous figures that we have studied in case of if the two perpendicular oscillations having equal frequencies. Let us see the concept of two perpendicular oscillations having unequal frequency, that is having a different frequencies. Let us consider the two simple harmonic motions of a slightly different periods be along x and y axis. So if they are displacement at any time t, p, x and y, and then they can be represented by x equal to a sine omega 1 t plus phi 0. Say this is equation 1, and let us take another equation y is equal to b sine omega 2 t. Say this is equation 2. So the phase difference between them is phi naught. And here A and B are the amplitude of the component of vibrations having each periods, that is 2 pi by omega 1 and 2 pi by omega 2 respectively. When two individual rectangular vibrations are slightly different frequencies, say omega 1 is slightly different with the omega 2, the resultant motion is being more complex, and this becomes the relative phase is phi is equal to omega 1 t plus phi naught minus omega 2 t. So here we get a omega 1 minus omega 2 t plus phi naught. So if two vibrations are gradually changed with the time, and this makes the shape of the figure to undergo the slowly, so it will be changes. So if the amplitude of the vibration respectively are a and b, then the resulting figure is always lies in the rectangle of the side 2a and 2b. When the two vibrations are in phase, let us see if they are in phase, that is phi is equal to 0, the Lissajous figures are reduced to a straight line and coincide with the diagonal of y is equal to b by a x of the rectangle. So if phi changes from 0 to pi by 2, the Lissajous figures in is an ellipse, and the passes through the oblique positions in the rectangle, and when this phi changes to pi by 2 to pi, the ellipse chooses into the straight line, and which that is coincide with the diagonal y is equal to b by ax of the rectangle. Further, as phi changes from pi to 2 pi, the series changes mentioned above takes in the reverse order. In general, the shape of the curve, it will depend upon the amplitude, frequency and phase difference. The period of complete cycle is 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2. The frequency is equal to the difference of frequencies of individual vibrations. So if the frequencies of individual perpendicular vibrations are in the ratio, see omega 1 and omega 2 are in the ratio 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 2 is to 3, 2 is to 4 of any combinations, we get a Lissajous figures, but those figures are more complex. See, these are the pictures that are represented having the ratio 1 is to 1. Omega 1 is to omega 2 equal to 1, means both the frequencies are same, then we get this kind of a figure. So if they are different, say 1 is to 2, we get this kind of a patterns. So in case of 2 by 3, so we get this kind of a patterns for 0 degree, for 45 degree, and for 90 degree. Now let us see, uh, if the ratio is increases slowly, the pattern it will be changes for when that is an angle is from 0 to 360 degree, we get at in the case of 1 is to 1, so we get this kind of a pattern, and if 1 is to 2, so we get this kind of a pattern. So if it is 1 is to 3, then the pattern is more complex, and again in 1 is to 4, the it is more and more complex. So if so we are increase the ratio, the pattern is also it varies. So these patterns are used for to design uh, the different figures. We can use these the method of Lissajous figures. So let us see an example of composition of two simple harmonic motions at right angles to each other and having the time periods in the ratio 1 is to 2. So let us consider the component. Analytical method is for this one, that is a component of vibrations be represented by x equal to a sine 2 omega t plus phi, and b y is equal to b sine omega t. So phi is a phase angle by which the first motion is ahead of the second. The resultant motion which can be obtained by eliminating omega t from the equation 1 and 2. So here we are simplifying equation 1 and 2. We get the equation. In general, we will get the curve having two loops for any value of the phase of difference and the with a value of the phase difference and amplitudes. This is the phase difference: 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi. So in case of pi and the 2 pi, we get this kind of a shape, that is infinity shape. And if it is pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4, that is it will be slowly it will changes. And in case of pi by 2, so it is in the form of a parabola. And in case of 3 by 5 4, so we get this kind, and again it is in the pi, we get the shape in the form of the infinite. So here we will consider only two cases mathematically how the equation will change. When phi is equal to 0, we get x equal to a sine 2 omega t and equal to 2a sine omega t cos omega t, or x by a equal to 2 sine omega t and cos omega t. So or we can substitute the values of sine omega t and cos omega t. So here x by a plus 2 by b square root of 1 minus y square by b square. So here after simplification we get the equation x square by a square plus y 4y square by b square into bracket y square by b square minus 1. This is equal to 0. This equation so which represents the figure of the infinite. When the phi is equal to pi by 2, we have the substitute the value of phi is equal to pi by 2, and the equation x equal to a sine 2 omega t plus phi by 2, and this sine becomes cos 2 omega t, and this is equal to a 1 minus 2 sine square omega t. So therefore x by a is equal to 1 minus 2 y square by b square. 2 y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x by a. This is equal to minus x by a divided by a. So y square is equal to minus b square by 2a. This is x by a. This is the equation of a parabola with the vertex is 0. If the time period of the two rectangular vibrations depart slightly from the ratio 1 is to 2, the form of the curve slowly it varies as the phi changes. So these are the few references that you can follow. Thank you.